Hey everyone, Chalet 12 here, and welcome back to the review channel. Today we're going to be testing out, or I could call it a review, whatever you guys want to call it, but we're going to try out this new beef pot pie from Swiss Chalet. I thought I would pick up, and I just cooked it tonight for dinner, so we're going to try it out. So here is the beef pot pie. Looks really good. Cooked it for about an hour at 350 degrees. So now I am sitting down with my review t-shirt, and I got my beef pot pie right here, so let's try it. And they're like big pieces of beef. The beef is really good. There's like whole pieces of veggies in here. Try this. I must say this is pretty good. The actual store-bought beef pot pie from Swiss Chalet. I must say this is pretty tasty. If you guys can find this, pick it up. If you guys love beef pot pie, you guys will definitely like this. Everything's perfectly cooked, not overly salty. The crust is nicely cooked. It has that bit of a flakiness, but an overall fantastic. For ratings, I would have to give this a 4 out of 5. Definitely pretty good for pot pie from frozen food section. I'd definitely pick this over the little pot pies from Swanson, I think it's called. I definitely pick this one over the Swansons. So check it out. If you guys have tried this on one already, let me know in the comment section below on what you guys thought about it, as always. For those who haven't tried this yet, like I said, I definitely recommend it. So I hope you guys did enjoy this review. As always, if you guys did and you guys want to see more, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe, and don't forget to follow me on social media. So do follow me on Instagram, Twitter, and Facebook for upcoming reviews, vlogs, and of course, cooking videos. So until next time, peace out.